Hello everyone, this is Jay Mehna from 3rd year CSE Department of AC Engineering College. Today we are going to learn about number system. To communicate with each other, the language we preferred is compressed in words and characters. We can understand characters, numbers, words, but this type of data is not understood by computer. Computers can only understand numbers. So when we enter the data is converted into electronic pulse. This pulse is identified as the code, which is converted into numerical format by ASCII values. ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. ASCII gives each number, character and symbols a numerical value which can be understood by computers. So to understand the language of computer, one must be familiar to the number system. Now my friend Shravani will continue the next topic.
Hello everyone, myself Shravani. I am from CSE department. You already know what is number system. Now let's see what are the different types of number systems. There are 4 different types of number systems. Binary number system, octal number system, decimal number system, hexadecimal number system. For these number systems, we have different bases and digits according to their role. Let's see number system with base. For the number system binary, the base is 2, digits are 0, 1. For octal number system, base is 8, digits are 0 to 7.
Okay, Shravani, could you explain what is the base?
Okay, Shrishant. What is a base? Base. Total number of digits used in the number system is known as base. This base is also known as radix. So, here decimal. The base is 10. Total number of digits are 0 to 9. Similarly, hexadecimal. Base is 16. Total number of digits are 0 to F.
Okay, Shravani, I got to know what is base. Could you explain why computer is only binary number system?
Well, Shrishant, why computer use binary number system? Computers are made of series of switches. Each switch has 2 states, on, off. For on, we are considering binary digit as 1. For off, we are considering binary digit as 0.
Okay, Shravani.
Now, let's see how to convert from one number system to another number system. Number based conversion. Binary to other number system. Here, other number system means binary to decimal, binary to octal, binary to hexadecimal. In a similar way, we are converting decimal, octal, hexadecimal to other number systems. Now let's see tabular representation of decimal, binary, octal, hexadecimal. Now my friends will explain these conversions.
Let us know how to convert decimal number to binary number. I have taken the decimal number as 17. The base of the decimal number is 10. And the base of the binary number is 2. The technique to find the decimal to binary conversion is, first we have to take the number 17 and divide it by 2 and keep the track of reminders. Similarly, we have to repeat it. After completing this, we have to go from lower to upper. Because the base is 2, we have to mention here number 2. This is known as least significant bit and this is known as most significant bit. Finally, the binary number for the decimal number 17 is 1001 with the base 2.
Let us see octal to binary conversion. 56 is octal number. Convert each octal bit to 3-bit equivalent binary representation. Like 5 3-bit value is 101 base 2, 6 3-bit value is 110 base 2. We have to combine binary values of these 2 digits. This is the final binary value of octal number 56.
Hey Shrishant, why are you using this technique? I have an easy trick to convert octal to binary.
Okay, Shravani, can you explain the trick?
Okay Okay, Srishan. Here we are considering K-map. As octal number base is 8, we require 3-bit binary representation. Now we have to draw a diagram of K-map. We have to represent a binary numbers 00 for the digit 0, 01 for the digit 1. So we have to take 2 in this block. For 2 the binary values are 1, 0. For 3, 1, 1. Similarly for 4, for 5, for 6 and for 7. Here I have taken this example octal number as 56. Now we have to converting octal number to binary. For the octal number 56, for 5, the cell of 5 is here. We have to consider row values and column values. For the 5, row value is 1 and column value is 0, 1. Similarly, for 6, the cell for 6 is here. We have to consider row value and column value. Now, for octal number 56, the binary value is 101110 with base 2. Is it okay, Srishan?
Thank you, Shravani, for explaining this easy trick.
Now let us discuss about hexadecimal to binary conversion. Here we are taking example as 1AC base 16. This is an hexadecimal number. Now we have to take an individual numbers like 1AC. Now one's binary value is 0001. Now let us take A. A decimal value is 10. The binary value of an A is 1010. Let us take C. The decimal value of C is 12. The binary value of C is 1100. Now combine all the binary values in one section, then we will generate the binary values as 000 1101 1100 of base 2 because this is an binary value, of 1AC base 16 because of hexadecimal.
Hey Abhinav, this is a lengthy process. Shall I explain an easy trick to the conversion of hexadecimal to binary?
Okay, Meghna.
Here 4 bits are required to represent a binary value. We have to represent this K-map as 00, 01, 11, 10 in the column side and similarly also in the row side. For representing the value 0, we use 00 and 00. Similarly for 1, 00, 01. It is represented as for all the numbers. Now I have taken the example 1AC. For 1, here is the cell of 1. Tick it here. First we have one binary, so 00 and 01 is our first one. Similarly for the A, it is 1010. And for the C, 1100. Finally, we have to combine these 3 values. Then we will get the hexadecimal of 1AC to the binary. With base 2.
Okay, Meghna, this is very easy trick to convert hexadecimal to binary.